My name is Narangi, and I'm gonna present you my recommendations for Documentation Business Change for my final project on data visualization and communications with W. Um, First of all, Dogs. No, dogs. Who don't know dogs? Most people love dogs. They are cute, they're cuddly, loyal, and smart. Millions of people own dogs. However, only few understand their dogs, and this is where Dognition gets in. Dognition provides interactive games and expert analysis that help dog owners to build a strong connection with their dogs. But they have a problem. There's a consistent trend of drop-off test rates. Only 1 in 4 dogs complete 20 or more games. So we want that number to get higher. So I set up a goal that is improve the completion rate of the first 20 tests completed per subscriber by 10% over the next 3 months. And how are we going to achieve it? I provide 5 recommendations for dog missions. First, increase advertising to targeted cities, create targeted reminders at specific times, implement achievements such as badges, provide better training videos and active assistances, and lastly, remove the free start promotion program. And why I recommend these 5 recommendations. So I will show you the data first. So this is the data of our users. As we can see here, most of our users come from the United States, almost 70% of them. And if we take a look at the city level, we can see that most of them come from New York, Chicago, Durham, Raleigh, and Seattle. Those are the 5 top cities where our customers are. So I would recommend Cognition to increase advertising in those 5 cities. And when looking at this users activity, we can see that most users active on Sunday, um, especially at 7 p.m. So I will recommend Cognition to send notification to all of the users to play the next game at around 7 p.m. And from these 2 charts shows that the drop off rates jumps after physical reasoning game or the 20th game. So to address this, I recommend 2 recommendations. First of all, Cognition can acknowledge users' achievements such as giving badges or gifts. And secondly, they can also provide better training videos and active assistances such as live chat, because the users probably um, confused how to do the right thing, or maybe the training after the 20th games after the 20th games is too complicated for them. So providing a live chat will be helpful for them. And lastly, from this graph we can see that free start user program is not effective. The free starters only 0.04% of the free starters that completed all of the games, while in no free start user they complete 0.22%. Both of them are small numbers, but the no free start users, or those who pay, they the completion rate is higher compared to the no free the free starters. This is normal because this is part of the human behavior. People tend to value a product more when they have to sacrifice something to get that product. So based of this based on this, I would recommend Dark Nation to remove the free start promotion program. So going back to my recommendations, my first recommendation is increase advertising to targeted cities, especially in New York, Chicago, Durham, Raleigh, and Seattle. And then create targeted reminders at specific times, especially on Sunday at 7 p.m. And then implement achievements such as badges or giving gifts, and provide better training videos and active assistances like for example like live chat. And then lastly, remove the free start promotion program. So that's it, that's all for my recommendations. Thank you for your kind attention.